What's up, everyone? Good morning. Time check, it's 10:59. Today is Saturday, July 13th, right? Very exciting day for me. I did post in Facebook that the rig Project Veronica is getting real. It's getting real, bro. It's really getting real. I'm very excited. They sent me some pictures of the build and it was really crazy good. I never thought that with the budget that I had, I would have that kind of very good computer right there. So I'm very excited. It's going to be arriving by 12, so we have approximately an hour before it arrives here in Dumaguete City. So right now, guys, I'm just going to show you that this is currently my my setup. Here, guys, look, it's there. Fortunately, guys, walang parking space. Naman ang tanawin, mas gwapo pa rin. Sounded so good. Alright, guys, moment of truth. We're gonna be turning on this beast. This is not gonna be a bad boy, but rather a bad girl, because this is gonna be Project Veronica version 1.0. So this is gonna be my very first computer. So we're gonna be booting it now. It's connected, it's powered up. So let's see if it works. In 3, 2, 1. It got broken. Nah, I'm kidding. You forgot one thing. Turn it on here. And her face is like, what? It's okay. But here's the moment of truth, guys. This is real now. I got her. 3, 2, 1. No! RGB goodness. Dang. Alright guys, and this is now the final, or not really the final, but just a temporary setup right now. Again, I didn't put yet the keyboard and the mouse that I will be using, but yes, here it is guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching guys. I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed my first vlog ever in my channel guys, and I really hope that to create more content for my channel as well guys, and you know, with this beast, with this Veronica bad girl, right, I will be able to edit and render videos faster, and then I think everything is gonna be very smooth compared to my laptop right there, which is 4 gigs of RAM, 6 years old already. So she's not gonna be retiring though. We're still gonna be using her for portability, but this one is gonna be the powerhouse in the office right now guys. So thank you so much for watching guys. Make sure to subscribe to our channel if you want to know the specs of this system. I will make sure to make another video of it, and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button to get notified on time guys. So see you in the next video. Adios. Peace out.